Yeah, so now I'm going to be getting Gilded on the Riveter. For this, I need 50 kills, 50 hipfire kills, 10 ADS kills, and 10 double kills, then 2 kills shortly after sprinting in 1 life, so the same as the other 2 shotguns. So let's get into the game and get this done. Oh, okay, teammate killed me.
Get it back. Enemy UAV active. We've secured 2 objectives. Hard point covered. Releasing breaching guard. Confirming next hard point. Stand by. Hard point relocated. Stand by. Hard point relocated. Confirming next hard point. Stand by. Enemies inside the perimeter.
It's the ADS done.
Target area. Hard point relocated. Stand by.
That's 50 kills done.
Enemies inside the perimeter.
Oh, yeah, it's double kills done, so I just need hipfire kills.
Friendly care package underway. Hard point relocated. Stand by. Inside the perimeter. V in the area. Hostile mosquito is on friendly UAV online.
Okay, that's done, so I need the 2 kills after sprinting.
Target area updated. Enemies inside the perimeter.
Yeah, it should be 1.
Hostile SAE incoming. Hostiles in the area. We have taken the lead. Touch one. Tag. Enemy UAV active.
No.
Confirmed.
Yeah, I pretty much missed every shot then.
Tag secure. Kill Hostile UAV in the area. Confirmed.
Oh, it's done. Okay. That's quick and easy. Okay, I've unlocked Gilded on the Riveter. It's my 3rd and final shotgun and my 26th gun in total, which is very nice. This means I've got 10 more guns to do and I've got Gilded on all the guns.